habakran kum ukongsan hakalempong beding klam ha Tuber kamay shnong mentakasngi ha Eastern Hills District o Myntri Rangbah kajala ukonrat ke sangma ula Pynbna ya mangtyngka ka bashipho klur tingka ya ka Seiñ Rajj Tuber na ka benta ban shna ya ki gallery hajan ka lempong adnar badru ban shna ya ka museum ka Tuber kamay shnong ula angru bagane ka jingthe jingarap kamde tang ya ka Seiñ Rajj Tuber henre ya ki we ki kinhun niam ru kumjo kane ka jingthe jingarap kan wan na ka special scheme ka badai ka scheme thamai ukongsan ula ong ba ka jingthe jingarap ka longkum ka jingkershan lang hakinu kinu ki jingshna ne jingtai sa nam kumbang ala dap yakran bat ka balang Presbyterian ngiladan jingbat ban shnai ka museum Thomas Jones badda ka ne ka juk scheme an kershan ne ka balang Catholic ru ya ka sengkhasi bat ki we ki jat niam ula benram ukongsan ukonrat sangma ula pen pau ka jingso kemen haba ula yo ban wan poi shika lempung be ding klam hashnong Tuber kamai shnong ula ongru bakum ka sarkar ka nget ru ba ka ne ka de ka ta ka jingpen i shna ka bashisha ya ka jinglong tan rai jing ki brio ki ba hapo ka jela ka ne ka de ka lariti ka riti ka duster ka badan kambha ban pen im ban pen ne pen sa na ka we ka pateng shaka we ka pateng ula ai ka jing khublei ket bucket riang ya ka Seiñ Rajj Tuber ba kanang la ban ya shakhamat ha ka jingle niam be ding klam bat ong ba ka jinge shimbenta lang ki brio ka long ka badan kambha nakaliang kinong penyat ki loong ba ka jingwan poi ki rat ha ka lempung ka long hadu an ri pukandai tali balawan ra na ki Seiñ Rajj nong ba pher bat kum ban shuben ram ka le niam be ding klam jong ka Seiñ Rajj Tuber ka dei ka jingle niam ka ba he tam hari lum jantia bat ka ne ka jingle niam ka dei ka jinget tan rai ka ba nadu handai ka ba be no ya ka klam ban lat na ka pang ka shitom lat na ki ki basneu bat ru ban long ban bha ka rap ka riang ban bha man biat ki long yeng long sem ki balai dan ringkat ha ka ni ka lempung ka adnar ha Tuber kamai shnong ki kintup ru sembut Myntri Rangbah uba sniaw bhalang dhar o MLA Kliriat ba Karmen Shilla MLA Sutanga Saipung Kong Santa Mary Shilla MLA Jawai ba Wailat Miki Shilla Deputy Commissioner Eastern Hills District Manish Kumar IAS Superintendent of Police Eastern Hills District o Shailendra ba Mania IPS Superintendent of Police Western Hills District o Jakpal Singh Dhanu IPS ki MDC jangka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council bat ki we ki riu Rangbah ki banaka sengkhasi ki he sarkar bat ki we la sakhi ru ba ka lempung ka shongshet da ka jingi shimbenta shit ham ki khon jangka Seiñ Rajj Tuber ha ka shat ka masti bat ru da ka jingwan poi ki rat na ki shnong ba pher dan ki rat ki badan ka jing tho coal mining is the basic of our livelihood say no to drug bat ki we ki jing tho ki badan jingbun ha ka jingyatan bahang ha ka lempung la sakhi ba ka job ka neng bat ka ne ka pen i ya ka dak ba ka dan ka bha ka miat ha ka ni ka sngi ya ka program la pen ya do President Seiñ Rajj Tuber o ba helping power.
As I mentioned in my speech, that there's a proposal to set up a gallery and a museum here. So, as part of a new scheme, we are planning to support the proposal that has been given by the Seiñ Rajj Tuber. And the idea, as I said, is to give infrastructural support and ensure that the history, the culture is also captured through these different initiatives, and the support will be given to different religious organizations throughout the state. They maintain the cultural aspect and the history and all the documentation of the different religious groups that are there in our state. The amount demanded has been 10 crores. So as I said, since we'll be giving to all different groups, we'll be working out what the amounts will be. As I said, there is a demand and there's a request from different religious organizations. we will be coming out with a comprehensive plan. As you are aware, in anywhere in the state also, when you are committing something to somebody, you have to also remember the impact it has on others, and others also expect. So therefore, realizing that we want to take a comprehensive approach, not to kind of leave out anybody, any religious group. So it will be a comprehensive plan, and the proposal given by the Seiñ Rajj Tuber will also be included in that, and we will see how to move forward. Cultural aspect and the history of the different religious groups in our state, whether it's the Seiñ Rajj, Singh Khasi, or the Christian religious groups, or any other religious group. We are here to support and to be able to create different aspects like museums, like historical facts and cultures. All of this will be done. Just recently, I was speaking to our Presbyterian church leaders who had mentioned about putting up about a museum in the memory of Thomas Jones, and so under the same scheme, we'll be taking up those museums, and for the Catholic Church also, as well as for other denominations in other places, and also for our own traditional religion and the Seiñ Rajj and the Singh Khasi and other religious organizations that are there. We'll be supporting them in the days to come. Thank you. Every time I come here, I see it get better and better, and the way the people have come together to really be part of the festival. It's a wonderful sight and a wonderful feeling. And for us as a government, we have always believed that this is the true identity of the people of our state. This is what makes us who we are. This is our culture, and it is very important that we keep it alive. It is very important that we pass it on to our generations, and therefore ensuring that it is celebrated with the right spirit, and also ensuring that the participation is there from the people is very, very important. So I take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Wedding Club festival. And as we know that this is a festival which is meant to ward off all the evils or diseases that are there, and in the new sense, all the kind of bad vibes that are there. So therefore, it is a lot of deep meaning, even in today's world and today's society. So therefore, it's a very meaningful festival, and as I said, a very important part of our culture. I am very keen as a government to support and to further improve the infrastructure for festivals like these. Very soon, I will be announcing a festival, a program and a scheme